Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a header and footer in Word to give your documents a professional touch. Start by opening your Microsoft Word document. If you don't have one yet, create a new document or open an existing one. Now navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is where the cool stuff happens. So click this one. Now click on Header in the toolbar. You'll see a list of ready-made header styles to choose from. Pick one that fits your document or select Edit Header to create your custom header. Type in your header content like a title, your name, or a page number. So for example, we will choose this one. So all you have to do is to insert your header title here. So if you want to change the fonts, you can just right click the text and then change the font here and the font size or font color. Now next, let's add footer. So go back to the Insert tab and then click on Footer. Just like with the header, you can choose a style or click Edit Footer to make your own. Add your footer content like copyright info or a date. For example, we will choose this one. So again, you can tweak the font, the size, and alignment of your footer text using the formatting options. Now take a moment to review your document with a new header and footer. It adds a polished and professional look. Don't forget to save your document to keep these changes. And that's it. You now know how to add a header and footer in Word to make your document stand out. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add header and footer in Word. See you on my next video.